Molly paid $20 for 2 cups of coffee and 3 cups of milk. A cup of coffee costs $2 more than a cup of milk. Find the cost of a cup of milk in terms of Y. Okay, let's draw the model. You see, from the first sentence, right, they said $20 for 2 cups of coffee and 3 cups of milk. In that case, what kind of model can you draw? You can't draw anything, so don't draw that one. So they said a cup of coffee is $2 more than a cup of milk. Now, you can draw this. Very simple. Just draw coffee, a longer bar, then milk. Okay, just draw one set first. So one set, right? So over here, remember the dotted lines, $2. Okay, now that you have one set, then go back to the original. So this is done. 2 cups of coffee. Okay, then let's draw 2. Then 3 cups of milk, right? Okay, draw another cup of milk. So this will be $2. And then 1 more cup of milk. That's all. Okay. Now from here, right, they said that the entire thing is $20. $20, quite simple, right? Then they said find the cost of a cup of milk in terms of Y, which means that they are looking for this. Okay. Now, do you realize that if you take 20Y and you go and minus this portion, minus this part. If you minus this and you minus this, right, do you realize that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups of milk? Okay, because they're all the same, right? Because if your coffee minus that $2, it will become the same cost as a milk. So if I take 20Y minus this $2 minus this $2, I'm going to have 1 cup of milk, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so my working will be 5 cups of milk, arrow, 20Y minus 2, giving me 20Y minus 4. Okay, then they're asking for cost of a cup of milk. So 1 cup of milk will be this divided by 5. 20Y minus 4 over 5. Now you cannot simplify this any further, so this will be your final answer. Okay, done. Remember to write it here. 20Y minus 4 over 5. Okay, this model is slightly tricky, but it's not that difficult. So for parents, if you're watching this, remember how I'm drawing the model. Do it segment by segment. Step 1, draw 1 coffee and 1 milk first, then draw the rest. So this is how you're going to teach your child how you're going to do this. It's going to be very, very easy for you. Okay.